First, you want to take off the keychain or key ring off of the key, and then open up the physical key right here. And then on this side, you can see the emblem, Kia emblem there. On this side where that blade was in place, right in here, you want to take something like a screwdriver or something, and what you do is just put it in there and lift up, pry up. Then you can take this cover off. It just releases this cover. Now you notice there's a seal in there. Now would be a good time to clean on the inside of this. The seal just covers the battery and not the rest of it. Now you can set this little cover down, and then here is the battery. It's a CR2032, and you'll notice it has these little catches. So you can see a catch here, 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 and here. You notice there's a spring on this side. That spring, you want to compress the battery this way in order to compress that spring and get past these two little catches. So what you can do, you can use tweezers or you can use a small screwdriver like this. And what you want to do is put your finger on it to keep it from popping out, basically. But just compress that spring and lift up. So just kind of like push on that spring and lift up on this side, and it gets past these little catches here. And then to put it in place, you want to take the battery, push it down in place, and get it in underneath those two catches first, right there. And then once it's underneath those two catches, it'll compress the spring once again, and then you can push it and then snap it in place. So when you're finished with the new battery, you want to make sure all four of these little catches are over top of the battery. Then you can take the cover, like so, lay it on top of it where it was. Make sure it's lined up right. And once it's lined up properly, then you go around the edges and snap and snap. You can do it without pressing the buttons on the other side ideally. But just kind of double check this seam right here and make sure it's here, this seam, and here is all secure. And then you're all finished.